Good morning, boys and girls.
Good morning.
How are my superstars today? I hope you're doing great.
I think so.
So today, boys and girls, we are going to start out with our A to Z, as always. And then we are going to go into some workbook pages. 7-year-olds, if you have not uploaded your video of your practice of your play part, please make sure you do that tonight. Today, excuse me, sorry. And then you have some grammar as well. We haven't been doing that for a little bit of time, so we're going to do some grammar in the morning. And then we're going to move on to writing. This is the day all sevens have been waiting for. It's the time to upload your play, and Miss Black gets to enjoy all the wonderful things that you wrote. It will be a wonderful day for me of reading your work.
Yeah, and remember that they have also the book. You read them a book, right?
Oh my gosh, that's right. I started reading Horrible Harry again, and it came out this morning. I think on video you were able to hear me. We have a little bit more, so I will try to get that done in the morning, and then the book will be done.
Right.
As far as math goes, I think some people have a test to take. If they didn't take it already, 6s and 7s were on our last chapter in data. So once we finish that and you do your chapter review, it's time to test next week.
And next week we are studying a new chapter in math also about data also.
Oh, we're going
For
to.
6s.
Okay, so 7s are going to be moving on to geometry pretty soon, and 6s you're going to start data.
That's right.
Sounds like a good plan. So everyone, have a great evening with your family.
And a great weekend, of course.
And of course, a great weekend.
Yeah.
For sure. Have fun.
Have fun. Bye.
See ya.
See ya.